Well, it's not every day that one gets to an airfield. For an air show that's scheduled to start at 3 o'clock and early morning, the crowd are already seated. Welcome to the Nelspruit Airport, where we are getting ready for the Lowveld Airshow, which is always regarded as one of the biggest and one of the best. I'm Brian Eminis, and I look forward to your company, because today not only is the weather fantastic, but we have the most incredible program with a good show, starting at 3 and going right the way through till the Big Bang fireworks. All you got to do is listen, look, and enjoy. 4 harbors. Then we go to 4. Then we go beautiful. Kijk wat nou gaan gebeuren. We gaan eerst struikelen op die les. En die komen er nou aan voor. Kijk wat daar gebeuren. Ik ga er gaan. Lekker go! Of Goodyear aviation tires. I must say, what a high energy opening to this show.
So you've just come back from the firefighting season in the Cape Town, in the Cape area, and you've been flying this magnificent Blackhawk helicopter in that part of the world, and now you've brought it back specifically for the air show here at Nelspruit. So tell me, what was the fire season like?
Our season was certainly our busiest one we've ever had. It was a very, very busy season. We flew big fires in Simonstown, Paardeberg, Brandvlei near Worcester. We had some really, really big fires. More hours than we would typically fly by a long way. But most importantly, a safe season for everyone, but it went well for all of us.
So what's this beautiful Blackhawk helicopter like to fly?
Fantastic. It's an amazing machine. We've been flying it about 6 years now, and it's really proven its abilities on fires in difficult environments, high wind conditions. It feels really comforting when you're dealing with some challenging conditions. That to fly this thing is just amazing. It's stable, it's strong, it's safe, it ticks all the boxes. And performance-wise, we've been so impressed with what it can do. It's 2,500 liters a drop, so we've really been impressed with what it's been able to do. It's a fantastically strong machine, and it handles the high wind conditions particularly well, which is where we've seen in the Cape, in some of the August winds here in the Lowveld, when it really starts to blow. It handles them a little bit better than what other machines do, and it really makes you feel comforted in those days when the wind's blowing 30 knots and you're in an awkward position.
So Daryl, it's lovely to see the SAF participating at this incredible air show down here in the Lowveld. Tell me, what's this beautiful 109? What's she like to fly?
Yeah, the machine, we brought it up from 15 Squadron in Durban. I'm currently based there. Sergent Sigavilu is my flight engineer, and we're going to be displaying the machine today. We've had it on static display so the young people can have a look at it. But as you look at it behind me, what an awesome machine, very maneuverable. You'll see in the display, able to keep this machine nice and tight so that the crowd can see it. A very quick machine, and an extremely useful machine for the roles that we do in the Air Force.
Thank you, Alvin. People flying live. We're left
Nigel, once again, fantastic to see you down here in this Nelspruit at the Nelspruit Airfield. What was it like flying down this morning?
Actually, for a change, it was nice and clear. Generally, when we come down here, we're dodging cloud and we're having to fly through the valley, and it was really pleasant and clear skies. A bit windy, a bit bumpy, but I think we're expecting a good show. Hopefully, it does calm down a little bit today because it's hot today, 33 degrees, and the wind's up, so it's going to make it interesting for the formation teams, I think.
And Nigel, how long have you and Jason done this duo together?
Well, we've been flying for many years. You know, Larry and I started with the two extras in 2008, and Jason was just getting his PPL at the time, so he was part of the team. We flew for a number of teams together, as well as the Goodyear Pit Specials, and we've been flying this duo now for 4 years together.
And Nigel, it was so great to see that Master Power Technologies sponsored you and for the SWAT Corp show, and it was a really big surprise. And I mean, that's so generous of Menno Parsons. What a lovely man he is.
Yeah, absolutely. We're great friends as well, and we've done so much together on the airshow circuit for the last 10 years at least, and we're often flying together with the Mustang, with the extras as well. So it was a great synergy. It worked really well. I think his customers on the day were really, really impressed with what we did, and it's great to have such a brand associated with us, with what we do, and honestly, it works well together. So we love it.
Okay, so we've just finished watching you guys fly in the sky, opening the show down here at the Lowveld. What was it like?
It's excellent. It's so wonderful being invited as a club, as an organization, to a full-size air show this year. We've always been invited last year, and it's such an honor to fly in. It's got such beautiful weather. We've got many youngsters coming up, joining us in our wonderful hobby here, and we'd invite anybody else to join us. We fly every weekend.
A really big welcome
It's
to
an excellent way
Jeremy.
to relax your mind.
Jeremy's the
Please join us whenever.
owner of the company that
Guys, wonderful that you've made such a fantastic show here at Nelspruit today. I don't know what you did. Did you talk to the weather gods and get this beautiful weather? I mean, it's stunning. So what do you think? I mean, look at the crowd behind you already. Isn't it fantastic?
Yes, very nice, but we're normally in the Lowveld. Over the last 30 years, we've had wonderful weather. The beginning of May is super weather for air show in the Lowveld, and we normally have fantastic days.
And tell me, what tower are you from?
I'm from Lancero Tower.
And how do you like it there?
Oh, it's amazing. I've been here now for over 5 years and it's better. Like, it gets better every day.
Thank you very much for having us. Thank you for being here. We appreciate it.
Hear the voice there of the co-pilot on the radio.
Ready for immediate after the air express.
It's coming down. You're going to get the most incredible photos. Look at that. Down he comes. Beautiful. Beautiful. Coming down all the way. Riding it down. They are working in their cockpit. They call it the height. They're checking. Get that center, the wheel on the center line. Nice, yo. Look at this. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Right away. He goes. If ever there has been an air show that will be remembered for a long, long time, then it's most certainly the air show that we've just witnessed here at the Lowveld Air Extravaganza. An absolute unbelievable air show, the very best of the best. It started off with mass formation, it's closed with the most amazing fireworks, with fly past, with a setting sun, with the most beautiful music, Unchained Melody and Il Silenzo. The table was set. The meal has been enjoyed by all. I'm Brian Eminis. Cheerio.